With Keso's life force flowing into Ndoli like golden streams, her breathing becoming more shallow with each passing moment, Binta frantically gathers more evidence of her devastating discovery. The mystical communications device reveals itself as a projection of Django's subconscious desires when examined from multiple angles. Scripts that seemed foreign becoming readable under proper scrutiny. The timeline correlations are undeniable. Every epidemic, disaster, and emergency began exactly 3 days after local records show Ndoli expressing frustration with routine healing work. She's not humanity's savior. She is its unconscious destroyer, manufacturing disasters to satisfy her experiential addiction. Binta shouts her discovery at Ndoli, waving the evidence papers while her sister's breathing grows dangerously shallow on the stone altar. But the Django initially laughs, dismissing the accusation as desperate fabrication born of grief and helplessness. The evidence, however, overwhelms denial with ruthless precision, timeline after timeline, showing her emotional dissatisfaction, preceding global health emergencies with mathematical accuracy that can't be dismissed as coincidence. The pattern repeats across years of data with supernatural consistency. As understanding penetrates Ndoli's consciousness, a carefully constructed self-image begins crumbling like clay pots dropped on stone. She's not the selfless international hero saving humanity from random suffering. She is unconsciously creating that suffering to feed her hunger for dramatic intervention, then positioning herself as the solution to problems she secretly caused. The psychological revelation triggers a complete breakdown. Ndoli's mental stability shatters as conscious control over her supernatural abilities disappears entirely. Her power fluctuates widely between extremes. Sometimes the life force drain on Keso accelerates to dangerous speeds. Other times, it reverses completely, returning energy before resuming extraction. The mystical communications device begins receiving multiple simultaneous emergency signals as Ndoli's panicking unconscious mind creates health crises across continents at unprecedented pace. Reports arrive of simultaneous disease outbreak in 6 countries, refugee crises multiplying exponentially, natural disasters triggering in regions that should be geologically stable. Ndoli writes in psychological agony, clutching her head as visions of multiplying disasters overwhelm her awareness. A gap-toothed smile disappears